Morning guys. Early birds.
For
Uy, ano dapat kita ka parang hay? 5 di ba?
possible man to basta 6 a.m. sakto di sa bukas kaso nga dahil sa bus ang kabot into 6:20.
Ah, yeah.
20 minutes. Dili ako take it lunch dagaganin ako para sa sunod na trabaho.
Good morning Helsinki, Finland. Hatid namin to CCC sa work for 39 minutes drive. You think the coffee machine is open now? Oh, really not? Doon, di
Hindi ko naman kasi ready.
pero closed. Hindi nag-ana sis. Dapat ginakabayaan nandan. Bakit mainom tao. So after the hatid namin, uwi kami. Ang tulog ulit. Pero kailangan namin gumising ng at least o bumaba na 8:30 to 9 kasi mag-almusal kami.
Breakfast ko mo.
Ah. Baka go do pudin mo mo. Hadoon. Abudan tugo ko o di kilometer. Lamig. Sarap sana may daily may coffee o tea here, immense. Diba?
Yeah.
Wala man kasing kito. My love, turn on na. Baba kami guys dito sa Shell. Kasi mag-ano kami ng coffee. Sarap mag-coffee na nag-drive kasi 45 minutes yung drive namin. So, kailangan namin ng coffee inside the car or tea. Uminom siya ng tea, ako coffee. So, yeah, virtual lang. So, ayan mga guys. Nag-ano nga kami daan dyan sa may gasoline station kung saan makabili ka ng mga drinks and food. And kailangan lang naman namin talaga is tea or coffee. Si Mr. Ko umiinom ng tea, ako coffee, and iniisip ko kung anong inumin ko kasi nakukonfuse ako minsan sa latte and cappuccino lalo na pag matagal akong hindi nakainom. And by the way, ang napili ko dyan is latte. Pero mapait pa rin siya talaga. Hindi ko gusto ang latte nila. Napaka-strong yung ano, yung lasa niya. And hinatid kasi namin si sister. Akala ko 39 minutes lang yung drive, pero 45 minutes pala. Malayo, 2 hours kasi yung ibibiyahe niya kung doon siya manggaling sa kanila mismo. So, nag-sleep over siya dyan sa bahay namin or sa hotel namin. And ngayon nga guys is the morn buffet namin. It's like morning buffet, breakfast, and yeah, masarap din yung mga food nila. Yung croissant nila is hindi lang kagaya sa Denmark na malambot saka sweet. Sa kanila parang matigas siya and then kulang sa sweet. And meron niya silang oatmeal din. Actually, kumuha nga ako dyan. And more on naman talaga is bread and then yung mga cheese and malmalil ang kinakain ko. And yung bacon, yes, masarap, and yung hotdog. Pero yung ano nila guys, yung egg na yan is talagang walang lasa. As in more milk yung na-mix nila. So, hindi siya ganun masarap. So, minix lang namin dun sa sa bacon. Si comments. Yeah. Ito yung ano nila. Sauna yan. We're gonna use it later today maybe. And swimming pool is here. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna use it this later, after, and then shower. Dito nagbibihis. Nagpalit ako guys ng damit. Kasi
Check.
yeah. Nagpalit ako. Yeah.
Where
Saan tayo?
But you're not allowed to touch it.
Det er fandme mærkeligt med den fod. Det er helt det her rundt her. Hele vejen rundt.
Ah.
So weak to walk.
Just fat.
Oh my god.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game
Walk
and
na
I
kami,
changed it.
guys. It's all about 45 minutes walking. Kaya nag-change ako ng damit dahil nga pag yung pantalon yung suot is mainit, papawis. So may extra lang akong dala na ano. Pero gusto kong magbili sa Zara na shopping
Today?
today or tomorrow. And then see guys, yung ano nila. Ano nga yung sa English?
Lake?
Lake. Yun, nakalimutan ko yung sa English. Ito yung lake nilang ganda. Tingnan mo yung view, oh. Iya kakain na. Ano? Take picture.
Ma, stand over there. Nami, ito nag-record ako and then you just came.
Yeah.
It's kind of dark. Yeah.
So we need to be smart now. We can really afford to have a business. Why are we not thinking about it? Like, especially in Philippines, because the money difference. Yeah, that's why we need to actually think about it and figure it out.
Yeah, gusto ko man. Gusto ko nga ni ituloy dapat ro bakery.
Yeah.
Kasi as in bakery pa rin talaga ang malakas sa Rigado. Dahil hanggang ngayon.
Ja, det ska
Yun.
ja.
Manami be is ano, like resort. Pakaitait ng lugta sa kanadi sa dagat. Or else hindi. Yeah, and then paggawa kasi ng parang yung start parang graduals ba? Nag-start up sila sa maliit na rooms.
Sån här gick vi i Canada en hel dag.
Direct.
Upp och ner. 8 timmar.
I remember yung sa ano crave ko sa Santorini. Nakadress din ako. Akyat na bunkan. Katakot ano? Kung ito naman ang tagatungtong gumusog, no?
Lipat yan ito? Ano? Saan ito?
Ay, mga bato-batong
Vulcan.
Santorini. Ang maganda pa rin talaga online business kasi ito ang magawa. Kasi kung i-track mo sa someone talaga sa Pilipinas, hapon-hapon. Kasi yung mindset nila pagdating sa pamilya mo, hindi sila makasay no. Then more on doon sa utang. Pautang anay, bayad yan yung school. Tapos pag sinukot mo, umahanap gano'n.
You gotta be more strict with it.
Kasi ganun, bayad.
But it's like,
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be looking sour. Take a cold shower, scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.